nagkikis eh. Oh, okay. Very good. Palakpakan natin. Ang winner.
Ang gawin ito, para naman parangalan natin ang naghanda o masasabi natin talagang makakatanggap ng King and Queen of the Night Award. Point A to point B. Yun, no? Okay, one more. And strike a pose. Center. We have Miss Nelsa. Okay. Okay. Miss Nelsa, give us a quarter turn. And another. Oh. Ayan. Thank you so much. We have Miss Esper. Okay. Strike the pose. Pose. Okay. Next we have Miss Anna. Right. Next we have Miss Vidi. Palakpakan. Woohoo! Hottie. And for the male we have Mr. Warren. Please come up on stage. Mr. Warren. One of our 5 finalists. Where is Warren? Next is of the night. Okay, all the ladies with Sir Warren, the king of the night. Okay, once again, congratulations. Next, number 99. Number 99.
Arnel Reyes.
Arnel Reyes. Are you here, Arnel Reyes? Miss Arnel, number 3 is
Father Xavier.
Father Xavier Alpasa.
Father.
Father Xavier.
Actually, hindi ko masasabi until. Oh, bad face ha. Thank you. Oh, my life, without a doubt I give you. Oh, my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share. Oh, that is this changing world can offer. So I sing
committee a while ago. We call them one by one here, okay? At this point in time, distance was not a big problem thanks to technology. And thanks to Lisa na napakatsaga niyang nagte-text, grabe, bukod sa text, may YM, may email, Yahoo Group, Class Creator website, my God! Our Class Creator website is, grabe, world class, di ba? Through you, we were able to reconnect with long-lost classmates and friends. Dear Lisa, kudos to you. Ayaw niya humarap. Ayaw niya to eh. Ayaw niya to talaga. Nag-alam ko. Sabi niya, wag ko siyang tatawagin sa harap. Wag ko siyang pagsasalitain. But to give us, ang makeup daw niya, okay. But to give us song number. Ladies and gentlemen, let's listen to the voice of Batch 84. Maria Lisa Magpayo Tupas.
Ayoko talaga magsalita, promise. Kasi if I continue talking, masisira ang makeup ko.
Hindi mo kailangan makeup. Natural ang ganda mo, no?
Parang wedding ko, ganun. No, I'm really happy because everyone says thank you. And now it's time for me to say thank you to everybody. Kasi lahat tayo contributed to the success of this event. This big night, we prepared for over a year, almost 2 years. Eto na, this is it. It has happened. And I'm sharing the success to all of you. All of you contributed to the success, whether big or small. It didn't go unnoticed. Thank you so much. I love you all. Gusto niyo pa ba mag-Christmas party?
Okay, at this point, I would like to call my co-MCs here. Co-MCs, Kids, Attorney Orchids, and the chairman of the programs committee.
Superwoman.
Super good. Kasi pag Diyosa kasi off-budget din. May costume. Tsaka,
Okay, so the program ends, but the party continues. Tapos lahat ng drinks charged to Belando.
to the music of